Hello everyone. A quick weekly video or weekly update about indices Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So here we are for a new episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. We are going to take a review about Friday's messages, the trade that we executed on Friday, and also we'll talk about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week and the potential trades that we might initiate in these coming days. Quickly, let me take you to the group messages and the message which was shared on Prime. So Friday morning I had posted a message. So this is Friday 5th of May. So this message was posted somewhere around 8:15. Yeah, 8:15 AM. The message says Nifty range may be 17,800 to 18,300 and Bank Nifty range may be 42,700 to 43,500. With Thursday's expiry, both indices have outperformed than the targets calculated. The Thursday's expiry was euphoric. Nifty high around 18,300 possible, while Bank Nifty high around 43,700, which is already completed. This was completed on Thursday. The uptrend is stronger, yet the open interest suggests a possible cool off from today or from Monday. Considering the strong uptrend, the support levels are 18,000 and 42,700 for Nifty and Bank Nifty respectively. I'll be looking for a level to trade with from where my risk to reward ratio will be better. Do not wish to run behind a missed trade. This is something that I have shared on Friday. And then the message says the bullish retracements are fear. So the targets that were completed by the index in such a short period are overwhelming. Short notice as well as short period. In market, there is no permanent win or permanent loss. So if a trader waits patiently, then the opportunity can be identified with a better risk to reward. Yes, the trade must be taken with a better risk to reward in mind, as it is always about the returns that you will be able to generate. So I am waiting for a cool off so that I can align trades in the direction of the trend with a small stop loss. It's about patience so that the trade will come to us. This is a simple message that I had shared, but the message clearly states that I had no intention to go long at that point in time, and eventually during the day, I believe this SBI Life target got completed. I had shorted Nifty at 18,255 May expiry, just one lot, and Bank Nifty I have shorted 43,550 May expiry futures. So these are the trades that I had initiated on Friday. I probably share the system and open positions as well with you. Now Nifty index, when we take a look at it, the target for Nifty index of 18,121 is completed. We had recently calculated bullish targets for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty. In both the indices, the first targets are completed. Now these first targets are significant from a simple point of view that the rally since 27th of March is very euphoric, aggressive kind of a rally. And when these kind of rallies are seen with no significant retracement, then it tells me that generally during a bear market or bearish trend, the bounces or bullish retracements, they are considered as fears. If you take a look at the typical bullish market, then the start off is little slower. Here when the euphoria is there, that in a way tells us that this is not a bullish run. That's something we are expecting from Nifty and Bank Nifty. That I still feel that there is something that is missing and we are not being able to understand it. Or if you take a look at the HDFC Bank sell-off that has happened on Friday, that is also hinting towards a particular point that every year, let's say if I take you to the chart. So HDFC Bank, if we take a look, this is a monthly chart now. Now see, look at this. 2021 October, it made a high of 1725. 2022 April 4th, it made a high of 1722. And day before yesterday, last week's high, it made 1734 as a high. But what is common in all these three areas is that this is the place where some big people are selling their equity. They are selling it big time. So this is something significant that is happening. And more interestingly, more importantly, if you check the volume at the bottom level, so the volume at these levels is not as significant as the trend reversal volume should be. Rather, if you take a look, the selling volume here is more as compared to the buying volume. So this is just an observation. Let's see how the trend actually moves in coming days. So when we are looking at Bank Nifty, if I take you on a, let's start with Nifty. Nifty currently is slightly away their semi-annual pivot for the month of January. Now this particular trend, this has started from this lower level. So if we just measure the retracement level for this entire trend, see, as per these levels, the entire rally from the level of 16,828 to 18,264, and even if we consider considerable level, let's say 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, then the level comes to 17,700. This can be one of the target, and another level can be 17,546. These are the two levels that I will look at as a target. Now, primarily, before we start talking about these two targets, the important support level will always be 18,025 or 18,000 level, and once price closes below this level, or maybe 17,950 level, then we can say that now the trend is changing. So ideally what we should do is that let's set a target, first target here at 17,925. This can be our first target, and once this target is taken out, if we manage to close below this level, then and only then the second target will come into picture. That's going to be this 17,700 odd level. So once these two targets are completed, then eventually we'll come to our third target. But this is something that I'm expecting, let's say, at least first two targets should get completed. And then eventually we'll look for the third target at 17,545. These are the three targets for Nifty in this particular week we are expecting. As for Bank Nifty, if we take a look, Bank Nifty has already given a very steep fall. I mean, in a day it has dropped by another, let's say probably 1,000 points, 1,024 points it has dropped by in a single day. So this is a significant retracement level. At around 43,000 level, I had mentioned about book some profits or book at least part profit and trail the remaining position. Then we got a huge fall. Now we are at a SAP level. Now this SAP for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty will be crucial, because if we are trading below SAP, then you can expect comfortably 1,000 points, another 1,000 point correction in Bank Nifty once it closes below SAP. Okay, so that level can be comfortably 41,500 odd level. Now how do we calculate here? Again, the target calculation. So if I plot my Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, the 50% level comes to 41,500, which is what the another 1,000 point looks like. So the first target here can be 42,042. That's 42,030, 34. Okay. And the next target that comes into my mind is 41,507. That's 41,507. Okay. So these are the two targets for Bank Nifty that we are looking at. Now when we are looking at these targets, it's not a one-way street. It's not going to be a fall or a quick fall like this. We should get some bounce somewhere around 43,000 odd level. So that can be a lower high, and after that bounce, we should get a next leg of fall. Now this high, whatever high for this particular week of 43,000, 43,100 or 200 odd level, that should get printed tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So Monday, Tuesday, we should again get a probable entry to short. In between all these scenarios, if at all we get a close, daily close above 43,300, then I will not expect a bearish bias. If 43,300 is sustained on a closing basis, then in that case I will wait. I'll take a pause at that point in time, because that is something certainly I'm not expecting price to cross above 43,300 level. So I'll just mark a level. This can be a stop loss for short. Right, so this is a stop loss for my short trade. Okay. So as long as we are below this level, you can expect these targets. If we move above this number, then it is anybody's game. Okay. So this is how the view for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is. Stocks which I am expecting some good move are Bank of Baroda, that's Bank of Baroda. On a weekly chart, Bank of Baroda currently is at a retracement level. Interesting point, it's at a Fibonacci retracement level. It's a 78% Fibonacci retracement level. So comfortably, we should get some at least 3 to 5% fall. This is what my expectation is. Yesterday's closing is about 2% down, so another 3 to 4% fall I am expecting in this counter. State Bank of India in a similar way. State Bank of India is again at a 78% level, Fibonacci retracement level. Right, so this is where SBI is currently standing. So Fibonacci retracement wise, it is at 61.8% retracement, so it should also give us some kind of a fall. That's what the expectation is. IndusInd Bank has already delivered, so it has delivered about 5% in just one single day, and this stock I believe is an underperformer of this particular phase. So it would be wise that whenever you get an opportunity to strike this can be a better opportunity to short. This can be a stock which will give a better opportunity to short. PNB Bank, if we take a look, is an underperformer again, and with this current scenario or the present high, these levels may not get sustained. So from a weekly point of view, if I just plot a Fibonacci tool, so currently we are little below 78% Fibonacci retracement, showing some kind of a weakness, and should give some quick fall in this particular week is what my expectation is. So we should get somewhere around 3-4 points fall. That 3-4 points fall will be somewhere around maybe another 5% in this stock, 5 to 6%. So this is what I'm expecting, and all these stocks are on my radar. Let's see how this week actually pan out, and do write to me in comment box what specific part of this analysis you actually like, and also most importantly, whatever analysis or whatever view you are having about the market for the coming week, do post to me in the comment box. I will analyze it accordingly, and I'll take a look at, or I'll pick at least 2 to 3 comments where there is a good kind of analysis that has been shared. Okay, thank you so much guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.